Nyina akwaba.
Yenyo.
Eba Ghana shall rise so. Na yenyo Philip emeka yesa obefana gwa amaye. Yenyo Philip emo akwaba.
Yeah.
Eba Ghana shall rise so. Yemo bibi akwaba biom. Yen brother Philip na ofa and yen brother Otim na TMF na Mia Frank na Tebemi. Na mia midi jumadi chiame so. Se na Freddy Rona enemy. And then I'm a teagum, a bedu baby no, na minion more Mohamina, ubi so eti egum. Na yesu diaconia, sape pepe and eti. Yedo bibiasi, and ne oba de chain. Na yepesi she and ye drink yema, minumi and sam, a fa o my Ghana, na yasana he. Nema ekoso, in social media, and ne abe for quite abaya. In future, so a my mabunu. Wiase ne Ghana ansa no ebeti enim kakra na yedi apasa kan yan papa Dr. Efim Amu yan ara asasini enuma ode mai se utie ni nsem yi a esemi ni se dwadi di bia no se nya sunsun so e wo ma no so na ampaye bi say social media and aba oman edi ensusan so papa bi brain na ni topic ni say social media ni ensusan so oman ni papa ni abon yeda yemi apani Dr. Efim Amu Asi obeja for me mamu nyina ma kwa babi mu me etu dwano and ye share social media ne papa ne boni ne sunsun so a ewo mai e mabunu wiase ni titi Ghana amincha no me sha se fi mi nua pani so opani otin so ya pani ne de self atano no na odi amana na o fi fro no amai
Mini ameda wase. No kwasem ze edwumadi ewe no. Ye pesa ye na ye promote Africa and Ghana nya. Intini atu ni din Ghana shall rise no. Ye jiri ye se o man Ghana ebitimi aso bibio. Imoma o man Ghana ebitimi aso bibio mu a. Ne jina to ye ye mtifo ne yemman mpanyimfo no enso ebeye asemo eda paso a ebedwendwen ho yi nze abefo aye internet chanso the papa ne boni a de abre yemman Ghana eni Africa nyina anka ni yiem di mu pa no de nipa wotena ase di internet ba ye no de nanka adwen papam
okay
fi say eni ya ene wo kasa ye internet ya na etimi no wo kasa echi enso woti yenken izi yetimi ne ye busuafo din komo abe biara ye pe enam sa internet yusunti say ye tonkra bi aba enche amasi kamane enso aye fofofo enevina wobekọ bangi na wako seniska na dibe na woche miensa na se wodi ma onipa bi se won famra na amedru na enso nipa wuntime nyin free ni ho sa no maya boaboa ma Facebook ene Twitter ne de keka ho nyina Instagram ne nyina aboa yen kaninya kampo no aboa ma ebi mo anyoma dofo ewo sa social media enye ni boni mu enso obi wo ho a wane no ehye abrayi mofrase no motete mo ntam no mo ahu ni piem imum social media da romanti yɛhunu saa nkɔfo wei nyinaa wotumi hu wɔn na wone mu di nkɔmmɔ
ɛyɛ ɔpani mi ntwɛwa no sɛ deɛ woka nyinaa na ɛsɛ social media deɛ kɛhwɛ deɛ ankɛyɛ paa o
ɛyɛ papapapapa ɛyɛ adeɛ a aboa na mmom no biribiara mu no wode to hɔ a sɛnea ɔnwomtofoɔ too no dwom no sɛnea ɔtoo no dwom no wato awie na mmom ɔno anim adeɛ a bɔtaeɛ ɛtaa nnwom no akyi na mmom me a metie no deɛ me na mɛfa nnwom no te sɛnea meme nte aseɛ ɛteɛ meme situation anaasɛ bea a makɔ mu no ɛno na ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛnea mɛte nnwom no ase
mate deɛ nnua ɔten ɛka no ase yɛbɛkɔ yɛn brother Philipos no ɔno so intro kakra fa social media no na ɔno so de ama yɛ nti ewia na afi deɛ yɛbie kwan ato na ɛsɛ obi adwene kyerɛ fa social media yɛahwɛ
nnua meda ase sɛ wɔn akɔnya sɛ da yɛnka social media ho asɛm kyerɛ efiefoɔ ne ɔno a ɔwɔ titi ne bɛntɛ
ɔpani mi nkyɛwa no mepatwɛ mo a mohwɛ yɛn ɛwɔ social media yi a so ho asɛm a yɛkan wobɛtumi de wadwene kyerɛ aba wopɛ sɛ ɔfrɛ so na woba so a wobɛtumi afrɛ yɛbɛlɛnke o ama waba program no so na adwene bi a wofa wowɔ ɛfa social media ne effect positive and negative no wo so wode aba ɛbɛma wo saa akɔnya no mpatwɛ yɛntoa so
mesa da wase bio sɛdeɛ na mesi ka no no wohwɛ social media sɛdeɛ asi aba me ɛne aba abɛtena san sɛ I pass through a whole lot of revolutions kyerɛ sɛ meka sɛ revolutions kyerɛ sɛ ɛstate baabi ɛna abɛduru mpɛmpɛn so a yɛwɔ yi a mpo ɛnɛ yɛtumi yɛ ma yɛne a yɛnnuanom wɔwɔ efie Ghana mpo me namfofoɔ a meka sɛ ɔmohwɛ me bi wɔ Padu bi wɔ Holland
yɛkyia mu nyinaa
bi wɔ yɛfrɛ sɛ Sontan
yɛkyia
South Korea nyinaa no
yɛkyia wo bibiara
ne nyinaa yɛ as a result of a positive yɛfrɛ sɛ dynamism of social media na sɛ wohwɛ social media in fact me nka nkwa akyiri koraa na the first time a metumi yɛ ma me maame ne me sister kasa wɔ UK ɔhu no na obisa me sɛ ɛyɛ dɛn mpo na ɛyɛ dɛn ɛbaa saa mendie wedi ɛfiri hene so ɔho ɛma nka first no na nka yɛnnuanom tu kwan no yɛfrɛ sɛ bra telecommunication a ɛno abusuasantene nyina
mmirika bi a wobɛtu
abusuasantene nyina ɛtu mmirika kɔgyina hɔ buutu nim wesi ma menkasa kakra na akɔyɛ sɛ even koraa no asɛm bi koraa no a nka ɛsɛ nkɛyɛ kokoam asɛm
na obiara bɛtumi
nanso wowɔ buutu mu nti no ɛsɛ woka ma obiara dɛn ɛti bi sɛ bi mpo ne yɛde brɛ wɔ anaasɛ nkɔmmɔ bi na ɛsɛ mu di afei bɛhu bɛkyɛ sɛ da abɔnten bɛno hwɛ social media ama saa nneɛma no nyinaa so ayɛ dɛn aba fam ɛna menka nkɔ akyi sɛ wohwɛ mɛtumi aka sɛ obi kura nya adwuma because of social media obi anya adwuma because of social media the stress and the pain a nanka yɛyɛ a yɛkɔm to get jobs no social media reduce a whole lot of stuff ama nnɛ obi anya adwuma a otumi sɛ one go through the pain of searching so obi nso sɛ obi nya wale a aboa no no ama metumi asa aka sɛ the social media no yɛka no nyinaa no obi wɔ hɔ a na ɔwɔ information wɔ bɛto no obi add to the body of knowledge ama obi ade a wɔnim sɛ bi wɔn nso yɛ den osua nti no menka nkɔ akyire no I think sɛ social media deɛ nkɛnyɛ bɔne na mmom no yɛsɛ adeɛ bi a yɛde biara no ana sanse obi brɛ bu sɛ ya ɛde pa na so yi bi ta ho a wanya hotra
fa ho ana sama na ɛsɛ okay nyu afre de oka no Matthias yɛbɛkɔ yɛn brother Frank so no so na adwen wɔfa yɛ intro concerning program a day anim so na you get your principal
chairman and I say so am I akwanya say enso enche ya de kakra
Any kind of check if you phone in a Ghana for a chairman. A mumpire born am the tie chair, they have drew her. Take a pretty when you be a young shade, you share the fee.
Okay.
Social media. Yes, no prayer day. We say interactive computer mediated technologies that facilitates the creation and sharing of information, ideas, career interests, and other forms of expression via virtual communication and networks. Okay. The perception and say social media that we know. A year simply be able to ye day a dan ye not drain
Edgy.
and your man ye need you. And in your man be brave now. The man ye need you know. The farm they can't share a month
for. Okay.
Now it can't be a virtual community. A idea a walk on so only said that has to be a virtual. I say would not who a virtual image. Untimim phone sign and so. It is say ye can say obiti baby or share, but on one casam physically untimim who say yen yet tiku and I say, but on whom you all if you do so, and I say so.
Brother Frank, met to a see ma minima said we went to me and Kuskunika Cabetiasia. Next social media, and I should be.
Yentim dinner, I
say,
be
full beer and that's what we deny and tell me
a park of funny board, dear free grass.
Ready a fuck for my
sort, I say, be the body fit a paba. Now, the true
Kitaba for a
so na obi so abe no masum no no age no de aton nti platform ne ese me na me kasa enso mfidie bi o ho a abe intendinafo a ono no di wasem no na won so a wote echichi benche ne ade no so ede
we dey wa ma tinsent ase no aba forma ma
eno ne friend say social media ne ede ekwan a wode media no se do so an kasa media by ba ko an kan media enti ekwan a wo fa so na obotaye onyoma a wonim we dey woda na di kire omanfo anase wonamfo ene wona okenya ti kasa social media na eti se ebusua community so ye nyina ye dey ye di nkomo na nso so no ye nyina nam abe fontintan so e friend internet yi so ene di ma yenya saa di we see timi so media kakra me nimfa social media on na ye koye nim no so no ye be pensen nyoma bi mu yi ama ni party ase that's
ye da mo so mu nyina mo ase na ye hwedi am acheche mu nyina me pa cho Ghana shall rise so na mo hwe ana mu tie yen so se de mu nyake abefo ententan so ana ye de ebrem ndi madaroma obetimi afre na person share wadwan na say nindia oso nimfa mo obetimi afre ye de obeba program so na wache wadwan amai ye de brother otia se ofa nebra me pa mo cho yenko ni pinsin mu we just an intro keke now social media se me hwe ni mu kan yin nyina se de nya Frank sa de ba form ama me chia si dia na se social media na yo and I think abonu bi ani brebo ni hu ana nti e be hwe ne se yen sha se fie brother Frank so na o ma yen hu se die eno su siti se ye dia
mutu ni enkatin kwanye de paawo nenso su di no wan ni kwan paso a nyoma mienu amfono wa ebitimi atwu aduane na ye wo na ne bitimi afa ho so akum nti yen ka se social media no eye ade a ye papa nenso adepa bia nti se de omo mu di kan kasa e no kan no aya na bibitare ho bibi e betare ho ne se nipa ofa ade no e de di dwuma no ono no obemu ye hu se ade no ye ana ade no enye
epajo brother Frank na se metu ase a ka social media na nkasa ne de nkeye
enye se nkeye eye nenso nipa ɔde adeɛ no ɛredi dwuma no ɔno na ɔbɛma yɛhu sɛ ɛyɛ anaasɛ ɛnyɛ. Yɛmfa no sɛ te sɛ DDT ɛyɛ ade pa o, ɛnyɛ sɛ ɛkum nipa woamfa nkwa nkɔnom a ɛnkum. Nanso DDT a no sɛ ohu sɛ aboa bi ɛha wo nnɔbaeɛ ne adeɛ a ɛkwan a wobɛfa so a wode bɛgu w'afu so no ɛkwan no a wobɛfa so de agu w'afu so no ɛna ɛbɛma DDT no ayɛ anaasɛ ɛnyɛ. So social media yɛ ɛda hɔ yi no
mete wase yie na ɛsɛ DDT ni deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ ɛyɛ aduru a ɛyɛ ɛwɔ ne positive side but what we use no na di nsunsuansoɔ
wode adeɛ no di dwuma no
ɛna ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ de papa bɛbrɛw anaasɛ de bɔne bɛbrɛw. I think sɛ deɛ nua Frank ka ɔma ntiasɛ no mu yɛ ada hɔ yɛbɛkɔ yɛn brother Philip so na ɔno so yɛhu social media no because mu nturo no nyinaa kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nti wosi so pi
mesa da wase me deɛ mesi so pi sɛ social media no ɛnyɛ ade bɔne san sɛ ɛyɛ platform bi a aba bɛboa wiase nyinaa ɛwɔ mefa sɛ ɛkwan afoforɔ bebree so sɛ nɛ wohwɛ the use of social media abɛboa in the both political, economic, social, and even in the environmental arena. Make us say environmental arena, which is and then development. Today say even any country that already develop without development in the country, no cannot be classified as a developed country. It's a what countries are improve on company because we develop world and the environment na adeɛ baako a it means environment ne tia kwa nkasa the entire American business say and then politically no through the social media no you can know what is going on the political terrain echo so e bia o ma foforo bi so
na bache we no na man ya na because enema bi ko so o ma bi so na ye twa no bi ne the social media na we kan no say ye ton o ma no bi sei nti eno na ma ne na
the entire America say ne say ene no say de amemu city ana say de wiase na say duro na ye ka social media mo asem untimi develop without knowing what is going on in different countries. Nti me fan say ya was South Korea na omo president oba say me no yeni say ye jeli 23 years. Nti no uti Ghana na pese omu na ebi a obi a share no social media ama the reason ti a oma jeli no so no nti no basa na the all social media na so all social media no can also learn. That is why America say in the political arena na babeboa after social media ya so no in economic aspect no pesa wuton bibi so adie bi mpo pesa wuton a we use that platform ya so e dey ton. With just a click of your credit, and I say just the use of your credit, you can say if you can only amount of money I go reduce it for your advert. But with just a click, a whole number of people will know. So and as over social aspect of Famunzua, say if you social aspect and the person can say, we share near Ecoso Ewo, a beer, Enfano, a far. Social development say via a far impuntu
intervention programs
yeah about man and I said the ecoso woman so via social event via a course or baby or whatever to one clan would me at the rescue of food
say o man be there or no
it's mission social
media sharing social media
because utu kan kosa o man ma kwa kwhwa the course obebe no social media no it brings you to your doorstep without bearing that kind of huge amount and that's a huge cost no it's all be to kan kwa the cro meanwhile so no the details of everything you get it from the social media Wabra okra obetumi aye different one na eno nso kra aye different from the offer ye no a enso abeboa wo man na yenhwe environment nso no say bia yehwe social media even kra no bi wo ha otumi say company bia wo ye environmental na say bia sanitation and otumi share how we see collective waste.
Okay. Yeah, there we see a lot of
otumi collective waste and how they even turn the waste into like recycling the waste. Ni na social media obi share obi tumi hu na wahwe process ni na omosua so na I say a exchange of and I say a infusion of friends knowledge.
Okay.
So
I say young brother Philip met to us here and I say you mean I see social media no. Yeah. But you better so young brother or so now no so no me who say social media no enye sa o
yeah
ba se me nyanum nyina ka eye
also said me ni kan ye no nipa akọ ye ne ka no o de wa ye ka na wi je se ni enwanu bi ka no enwum no de wa bo mu aka ne bobo ama na ye wo de what I say o de wo wa bo nwum ni mu me na mebo ama na ye me de why your internet and our social media name kwan me fa so use no de e gina me so
okay
so na me nua e Philip e kan e no correct your social friends political and social and economic benefits e what friends social media e no correct wo hwe mu so pa na ama social media nso ama aman the brain so ana wo mo amamre eso akata ewiase hu no you see you
okay
wo fa yen asantefo anase akamfo anase Ghana ya mamre yenuane anyedie na nsia na mehwe broni bi a waba otutu kwan na wo hwe enuane wodo a amam bi e lokopie Ghana oko enkran Jamestown okodi dokono ne soto ne ye ohun se sene
odi ni sen
odi e owo che ni di na oko asante kodi fufuo
wow
ni abenkwan ni nkra no wo se di ampesie
how so dey for me na aduane no odi ni sen
o we sai
wow
se ade no unni bi da ne mum ye kirewa se ne ba ha kimchi ye nyi bi da nso no
se no abosi
oh
if you favorite food o
ene be papa intino sa eno ma we nyina no aboa ma adan kofo yasa
mamre
yasa ni nyina no aboa ma na den na no kwasem pa ewu pa so ne pa
ba jo fa no kwasem si o padaroma me pa mo chogana sharai sumie se de musi etie yen efino ye kasa fi South Korea Ghana for mabuna yeso so kwen ye fa so pese e che yen adwen fa social media your topics be brave se de mi gangan eneme na mtiegom e chane na nyeme na ye nua no momo ha ana obi fufuro ana oti egam na yeso so ye to e che yen adwen obetimi afre Ghana shall rise so ye be mo akonya na de wadwen che eso aba ene social media ne papa mu ni boni mu e boa yen ni shusan so be na e dey my video for I think say the market nyina no mama masun cry me dedodo I say positive culture aspect, social aspect, economic, political, a whole lot of things, education ni niama bebre ni nia be ma so kan ni nyina na ne kwakwa na esi ni ensusan so boni bia wo mu ana yanko minia Frank so na yenhwe
ensusan so boni de bebre se medical ka se nipa o yusu ade no ene be mu se ade na o de ye atuma no eye anase enye social media ye nyina ye wo ha ye miensa na se wo ka ho na ya dia tum se ade no ye ade pa aba e bo wiase ye nananom wo bebi o ho se yensi entuma go fin wo de anase yensi entuma fin wo abonti so na memfa me my Ghana me free mu enye mfa to ho bebi ewiase aduru obiara ni abrese o ye ne man yi
Yeah.
na ma ne man fo ho ede ho ato minua se mo be di adanse a se wo Ghana na wo South Korea one hwe ni ya wadwe men se ne be kra na wo ko na me catch us se wo ra ko ni mu a se America in South Korea na o se say wa didi ato ho dada so te ase ba se ka se systems pa se eye aduma ne nko America de nanso kakra me ti free ho no ne tre se ekrum ha aha dwopa aha systems ye aduma pa se aha ogisika ma police ni kra on da ende say asemsi na police ni ye disika man se on flow bi na on me fix ya de ma ya police ni se on so sika mu so ho enti mimi hu se social media na da ho no yeten se ye yusu ade no na sebi so di Africa kakaka de to ho no mu a na ye de ye ya ma de na ya de boni esanse obi sorry anopa na office on the wenyeska actor obi be se credit bi de gu ne phone so a wo de abando internet phone no si ono ane dia e no no ade ne sika o ye aduma e de koto credit ni tin office utimi bibia de e beto
social media
what you see ye ba ha se no the papa mun social media ini timu se na nado dankwa oye bi se nye social media akebisi ne akenim de ekoso se ya tofu amu se ne anopa me sorry am hu se esi problem kakran so aba first life for ho no social media so ani nyina ede
okay
Ghana for City FM online omo de to ho na ede ye hu ye so ho na nso so bi be sorry anopa na waro ne ho na ode ne nam ne fie na ode kire nipa amansan ya
na senka me nchono entika mu kan nyina obi aka se social media ne ye nso bisi asa odi wura no na zenka ya kwose ni kan
na ti o wa no ya ka se ade no blabo me mu bonwono e bata ho
de yenhwe nyema we I say ye nyahu ye obi be say let's draw the line perfect line ni you say social media no eno ne no
so de mi senka odi ka okra do ti ba forma
social media no die eno ne platform to say oyo osofo Methodist, Pentecost, Church of Christ them na asori dem hono no ye wo ba bia ye gina eni asori ma no ekasa sa bia na ye gina ne asori ma no kasa eni e friend platform
yeah
so what you say platform ne so no boni bia ni ho platform na ye si na da ho boni si eni ho you see platform na adwen say osofo me gina so enfan cancer mo
fan okay
ne my ne tifo
okay
na so platform kuya osofo bi ko gina so na ne ma ne na sorry ma no enya ni die enya gidie enya ahotoso ewo wonyankopon bi a wono so ni mu sa platform kuya so nyoka papa ni si no obi nso akwa akogina sa platform so
no betim grade atem
na odidi atem na odi kire sika bi a wonya na odi kire
okay
enema a wonya
okay
but into the end say platform na da ho say internet na da ho na eno no my social media platform
okay
no eno de boni bi anyede anyhow de boni ne won ho no aye de o be gina platform ne so no ono no be kire say me de ade ne be ye papa ana me de be ye boni what you say me mama no esi
no shi
hwe social media aba nansen no ahemfo akese nunu o Ghana e ka o ntoma bom e ya ade bia na efe na ehye omanfo ni trim se amotia oforipanyi osagefo ene tumfo se tutu otikoko so ntawantawa kakra bi yɛdɛ ɛwɔ mu nsɛm we pɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔ tumi sin we pɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔ tumi sin we nanso so dwumadi a ɔmo di a ɔmo hyɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛ nana ofori sɛ ofori yɛ ata ɛnumonyam na abra wodi ne mfinhyia aduosunum mmerɛ na ɔte sɛnka ɔte ase so ho ne nyinaa no social media na ɔhwɛ ne fɛ ana ɛyɛ ɛniso obi te abɔnten a na sɛ wakan da
ɛne nneɛma yɛ display
wohwɛ yɛ kente yɛkyawkyaw ahenema
ne etuo ahodoɔ ne
so na ɛfɛ kɛkɛ wohwɛ ahemfo mmienu yi a ɔmo yɛ ɔmo ho atuu ɛkyerɛ kroyɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛkandifoɔ no ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ ɔmo manfoɔ sɛ ɔmo betumi di ɔmo reyɛ dɛ ahyɛ ɔmo ho ɛsiane sɛ ɔyɛ obi a odi nkan a odi nipa no nkan a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔma nipa no fa wɔ sɛ wɔn Nyankopɔn ne ho so social media saa na ɛwɔ sɛ nkɛyɛ nanso so obi ɛbɛkɔ akɔgyina saa platform wei so no na warɔ no na wabɔ ne ho adigya
na
sɛ mmarima mehwɛ
what is that experience ni bi da what be da
social
media ne so ana
me de me man am free mu ɛna ɛyɛ example ɛho hia sɛ ɛbɔdi
odin de wada
yes so nansi mu sɛ obi betena social media ne dan mu ade ɛwɔ sɛ nkas me adwemu deɛ me de bia me nkas deɛ ɔyɛ no yɛ but ade so ɔbɛyɛ na ɛnya ɛyɛ nipa dodoɔ no na ɛkyerɛw sɛ ade a woyɛ nka ade fa kwan bi sɛ so a sɛ warɔ no na ɔne akora ketewa wɔ fie na ɔde ne nam social media so ɔde ase me hu ne sɛ ntwa yi ɛyɛ ade na ɔde kyerɛ me no ɛyɛ anka wokun na ɛwɔ so ɔde kyerɛ no wokun na ɛwɔ so ɔde kyerɛ but ɔde bɛkyerɛ me a me metu a wotiri nsa
asɛ we so de nkonka asɛ hwe o we de nka me hu yɛ
social media na sɛ
ɔno ana
ɔnwomtoni Akon a ne nchi free Senegal na ne papa yɛ classical musician ɛwɔ Senegal what you say asɛm a ɔka ne sɛ ɛba sɛ ɛnneɛma nkɔ yie pa America nipa kum ne nneɛma pii ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ America ɛnso ayɛ na ɛden sɛ saa information no onsabe de what you say me ba Korea ha no na me pese me hwe omudwuma omudie wo abefo saa social media platforms ɛden sɛ obetimi afa wo phone na wabɔ pornography na yezi atre wo Korea ansana me na make atro ansana obetimi ahwe ade bi eye pornography wo Korea irrespective of your age no platform no okɔ na no system no ebe cut off na atre wo say enter o alien card number o debe number resident permit bibia sana
wow
what me dey nya fan
ko na se pro ha ye hunya access to porno ana
unya
we are sure
obenya na obi a what ni age e qualify no na obetua sika.
Wow.
What you say?
It sounds interesting to me.
Me say me ba ha no ma test almost system no. Kwesi dey ya me ko program. Na me di me sika hye me envelope mu e na hye me back pocket. Me ko ya afi me duru akakra ma duru ba bi e program no. Afi me tu me botomu a. Me hu me envelope yi. Na me say ana me ja to table so na me say ni ma me sansan me chimra fi. Menam kwan so ba me duru ho no na me hu se envelope ni da ho na sika no kra ye etete ho na enipa atwam wo ho no me fa no kra na amanfo obiampo enche na ni ayede anhwe esan se omunim se de na de ne tofo mo no se okaye a na osan ba ho na hu se
wow
sa nyoma bi sei no wo hwa eba social media de na ye eton kro no o kokuru ni mu a
ni brother Frank we me chwana o ma enkomo na me dem me kasa akwa fi dem ntimi nkasa bi I say social media no ekuro bi eyisu ni yi
na wo ba Korea no wo de aya hwom a who say man easy rough for internet ne so ma hwe
da biem say ewukrona
ewukroni mu
obeba ko social media kra
obeba ko tueska na odi ahwe na ono na wo ro ne ho nti senke ye pese ye ro ye ho wa Africa anke ye ro ye ho krampo fan discuss e butu yenso ye fasi dan
asa amanfo dwa o
ucha bi ncha amanfo dwa so obe ro ho abeto abonten no bi ahwe ni free
ase o man
no eni se obe ro ho na obe nya sika e ahwe oba e ahwe o maami bia ende ne mfaso so
we dey
say ro ho na fajiska o
ye better young brother
maami fa asayinsi
Tiwana minko minyanum so
social media yi eda na ka bibi fa ekon ho enoma boni ekoso wo Korea ekoso America ekoso UK ekoso enso ya na edi se ba be to social media nso na enso so yemfa Ghana bibi ya hwe na enenam abefu entintan eso na meka se ni nyina ne se bi ye kan ni nyina no eye wo nso a manage platform sa NCA any sankofo no wo se restricted yen se mfidie na ni a aban yesere se obema mfidie a ebetimi ama ayese adwuma na across 16 years of find the phone a ontimi upload pono ana ontimi finance DHS ni bi twerk ne to ode abeto Facebook
brother Frank ye
beba so wo bi obo ya hada
ye beba so nya botre ye beba so na menkominia mzeminya Philip na watanse ache kakra ndi ono so no when experience bi say social media no na when ya pop up bi o phone so message bi a wo share ya wi wani ba akopɛ na asa hwe ni bi
message was oh Ghana shall rise again so na me use opportunity we dey chia me nya Isaac so wo hwe me pa
wow Isaac e chia
bia wo bia mo say wo padu so wo
Isaac fit my platform
so sometimes
thank you
me chia me nya Isaac
omo we na wo show mo kai
say asema ye kan nyina no social media asema ye kan nyina no ne fa baby a enkoye na na say ne fa baby a you ni kase ne fa negative aspect no and say the negative impact no nyina no me dey ma tell me nyina say it's as a result of bad attitude.
But bad attitude has a growth in me do kakra.
You suban. No, you suni a bank. And then ma social media and bearing the bear one. I make an say. Me go 1 man here with 13 or take FM. Or say when the country is having good attitude, the people in the country have good attitude. It's better than any resources that you can ever boast of. Talk of gold, talk of diamond, talk of timber, talk of oil. Because it's a result of the good attitude, you know. And they transform it to development.
Okay.
And I said, they make it positive impact.
Okay.
And you know, so I say there is a direct relationship between good attitude and development, and I say impact. That is, the higher the good attitude, the higher the development. Okay. And the lower the good attitude, the lower the development. Okay. Indeed, there is a direct relationship. Economics never has a direct.
And the higher the bad attitude, the lower the development.
Yes. Okay. The higher the bad attitude,
the lower the development.
The lower the development. That is it. Okay. And you know, may come this is to say, the attitude, attitudinal problems, Africa. So
concerning the social media.
When you saw opportunity, no, instead of say, or make good use of it, no, I'm not a bad attitude, no, so on me tell I say attitudinal problem now you want it, no. your attitude towards the use of certain things. So I'm going to share. So I say, oh, you saw me at in Cassette. Then I'm here first. I'm a share.
Okay.
So
okay.
Hey, and you know, anyone must say accident just see now. I said,
I'm the person can use that example. Say, me and many say accident is. Me a besoni pennyman, I say a bebwan, a befair for a freight ambulance, and I say 1 hour in charge of Sanyaman. No be a video about life.
Yes. And sometimes you're
not even the accident to Nipana,
pain. If you will lick, can't communi. Emma, can't a pump a mono top from and the ties near you. It's not one guy, we shall our bread.
Or no shekani
Or shekani, I can't the eye and I say, I'm Mwasa into a shower of bread. Oh, you may move up low. Not Obisu could have phone. Oh,
or no shekani,
or there be on Obi or Cotos or Cotos a car, not Cotono. They put a phone or this semi phone easy. Oh, we see meet me on you, be back. Oh, what would you ever to Facebook? Then you put on second, so, you baby, with their pram. And you were good at to a better.
I think say first of all rescue or just a helping hand.
I just said
Nipanansa.
Oh, rescue Nipanansa. Sabi. And I say you can overfled the necessary first institutional as or more be in charge of what is happening. But over no fact the phone now or the about social media without doing anything about what is happening.
Okay.
So let me say to them. And he said, oh, say, what you just imagine, say, in your problem, in your problem, Africa, before say, a profound no, they will come and tackle the problem, no? And I said, they will do something about the problem before they will be a solution on the mind. And some of my shaman confirm say, this was the problem that we met when we went to Africa, the solution, and now this is how the person has got into. What is it? It will not malnutrition. Could be a malnutrition. Colana from form. So, or think I say nay, or more the your friend saying, we say intervention mechanism be back. Now, or more the rescue those who come Colano into or share the social media more. I know it's a Colano plan. Not uncle who think I say, but you call my ear say, and if you say that, I, but yet you nip any pain.
And no mumuna. I think that would be some of the bad side of
in general, the bad aspect as a result of our bad attitude.
Medawasi, a breno AAT and Cranty, a great brother of Simona on a swag. Mipacho, when your social media message, and I won't be a bad swanka. We am sure Precopidiana. And I will some people are letting me and
to cry and say, wow. The man bias and do friend say
about your be. That's all boy advert too. Because you mean I can say economic one political one that things also adverts. And
no question. Now so long as social media and also no. Your fan of Camboni you saw yen the cultural values. Fancy your memory, just yeah, didn't mind papa no. The social media. I said, yes, also. Say, you walk one more would be any a bonny beer. I bet on social media, did that term. Beginning panatem finiti, Manasi. 18 said, would be so up once and I don't also know, share, you know. We are in public. It's your could be a suffering. There's also the yet he had cried, you couldn't cast a year in tree, no crown. Or be bet me at translating.
Yeah.
I'm a new Cassa. It is the Tamil can walk as a no cast a gun for Quanati. There be. Yes, in Unati. It would be a share. One money and a tackle a social media so before. Yintimi control your friends, I think. Ubi any bonia, papa. Ye bet pattern to pano. No, be a chat. A video never to us a monster before say, or more. Send them in can. I'll go a condemn. You share about Abrantiano. Meaning who say be a hammer. Now, US not, no. Who say, Africa yemuye nam yenya yene ye boni bi ye asmo kan ne say we share press ni media say enoma boni bi esi wo US genocide air cost wo US nso wi asin South Korea cry ya tie no you hu say enoma boni koso
in terms of
suicide and this first ni nyina koso nanso wo hu say yeah amoso ahase a uni China when kase wo hoyi omo bo bi ma so hu do mo ye omo ma so hu do mo ye no ma boni omo ye no wote wonti o nti sa no ma boni we nyina efise omo control system no nso ye de fa ho yes say kape bloggers no piska what I say
okay say ninka say dem mo musi cheche mu e say ka sika pe so de nka me hu ye
sika pe so o fa kan bon so ahwa na say o ya ye pese mi kuminya o dwene ne o benya mo o nwene ne e be kwa tia o man no
na say bloggers no na ye be blame mo ana say ye nso
bloggers individuals ye nyina visa se me no kra no say o send picture bi video bi blame me ya bo say na ma share me share ya no say me so ma voa
ana ko ngo ada ne blogger
intino e be fa ne say ye nyina e difo
okay
wow na did you attempt
but odo anu si
na ye nyina no emu ama o manga na no kwase ni enkoso
ye beda ya bidwafo ase me pa mo chew Ghana shall rise so eni enne me na meti adwam se na Freddy ebedu da bi na nyame a na ye menua no mo ha na obi fufuro ana eti adwam ti mu nyina me emfa odo ne akoma ba ko emmoa ama edumade edi esi eni si no entimi enwie peye abedwafo edi program no eba wie na ne kwakora we de me mama konya die na wa ususu de ususu se ye bo ebe and our example be because me kai say me be sofu bi a one na yere emi say omunya kitandi wo bedroom na platform so church platform WhatsApp sofu send me say me send ko mi o send yere say na me unim whatever happen the one also upload pictures in na church platform so sometime onia e ka say sofu an send ho akonfu ana wa ko share no akonfu nkunu counselors in the it's not easy. And this will be experience be a see and now when you be so bit my share no foot to our MIN near the program now.
Yeah, you know. Now me
experience this Anna.
Yeah.
And I become a walk around and say try self be
say and yeah you can to see your friend saying ye baby no em say me hu say nkofo hwe me pa me chia me nua Franka wo Ukraine ya wo hwe see
ye chia obi bia di omo so
fe me chia Augustine Wood so kan so hwe me
ye momu nyina
na masa chia Prince Davis ya em say sa media one na kolu bia
we also be chinali chia na fam
omo ita wona em say omo hwe ni me see me so wi a me Piontech as a connected from Piontech na me North Korea emre
wow
ntino mi chia mu nyina e bi eta no pa mo beti nka afi no se ne di wie no na me ka se eye bad attitude ene de e mani pa bi ye sa social media na ma na be ye bone na me say si say o manya sabi o nkofo no wo good attitude no is better than say wo good wo oil wo resources bia because with a good attitude no and a better transform it to the development of that resources for the benefit of everybody so let me say to them na the American nyina ba bi sin na ne say e kwan e be fa so ye ni say e say ya kasa o manfo na ye wo man no e say e desu ba pedi
okay
so okay super padi dia unia enya problem on fa ko to Facebook
okay
sabi obi wo kra na phone onimu so no
ene kinle
ya ene bia ofa na wotwa na ho ene bia wakọ set phone ato baabi ena amana abedi ho eni kwasa wo share anka ni papa mu anu afre o menia me mo ade bi say na say we yi say ya hweniye na wa de be kwetiri so ho no but yesumi ye ban ne
na almost a bisu di escape o I think say escape so dem kamoni ni mo
ya men kasa tie o
because I mean yes
say what the social media what they making money if you are bloggers or man so mo hwe nyina no you bet me there yes anu a good way what you say you are selling and I say you are educating people, entertaining people, and a whole lot of stuff. But at the same time, you are making money. That is a genuine way of making money. So let me see to them.
But not me pa ucho minchoano. She say, and I think say you was side for pono. Right? It is a social media, they are all part of the social media platform. It is a makunya video be and a makunya pictures, even a picture to which my enemy income. Now individual na mabana makaga so wa mama iskabi ni ate say
enti say me say
boni wo mu ana
say who good attitude we share at that moment you don't know who is watching.
Okay.
And then na we a won fan kire we won fan to fie na won so kire o ma na unya wonko o ba na koma for mo.
Oh. They are saying they are no edit.
Say who good attitude so one message kire no ye wo various way of making money. Unyusu obi adeja emfa meto ho so na mesijire no emfa nya wo ho enko se obi ba
okay
na so ko se obi ba unu se sa nipa na wo se ndati wo na be di o man so abese wo ba
asem de mu edu e beda wase na odo anu sikra no na yinuanom ye bre no echi
enti me di ma no si no na me ka se in fact attitude na ayide eye key ewo say net discussion because with good attitude, you know, I think say any public name will be so
yeah, that young brother Philip, I see. You ever call young brother Franco? But you when you experience this, I come as I was about house been idea. Oh yeah, you been a could be na
oh
say please be I send you message be sabi na say be sabi na
and yes bia me bia na so yeah dia course bia but me dia mo amunim say me moto a be na mu bia simi na say so good leadership and sense mo nyina and the why say ba
okay but you be teaching kakra
and say but so wa wo ba so ma oba no freedom ko si ba bia na wo di otimi ye one man freedom so ankwan ko si ba bia
so
ya wo ha say no medi kan ka say so obi wo ha no so interest oponum kra no person hwa wa no scrutiny abefam no obi jai okoha na yebusawi okoha na yebusawi na afi no edo ko police site edo be ko police site o no afi no details njuko na akodi nsemu bia o wa na ede onim se krum ha yeti my bet untimi ntwa mro Ghana sikem 40 cities
yes
because we chabro so pe unim I so mu yusu aduru I say krum ha police no o mu yusu aduru we chabro so ya ba beche
na dey ntina mana basa
say no na make say hwe everything when say me ba program ni na me me fa
book buy
book no
me pa to ya chase na obi enya na so bi pese okokunka
social global leadership a obi nya sa book a new program to one Israel your friend John C. Maxwell or US na book or trend say developing the leader within you. So they say, okay. Se unya good leader, masa unyoma be apostle ko Joseph or ye class or Ghana can say or say oni papa na say o kandini bie nwa oba e di ni mindful e call amanie mo at begin mindful free amanie so good leaders are aya ne ka say good leader no be the nani ko hwe na do dankwa ono to anye o kandini o Ghana wo na wo hye NC honom no a o mampanyi ni di sika ma o say to mfidie ABCD a obetimi di attract and you man born ya man for it e post to online information born ya ye de efa o man no ho ana amanfo bi interest bi nti no omo she that creative o man no na omo she that de sometimes wo ha say na to say e bia economy na ye dia ebi kura na nyɛ no korɛ because nkɔfo bi na akɔ hyɛ
more hype issue no
so ti ase nkɔfo bi na akɔ hyɛ baabi afei wobɛhu baabi nso so na economy na yɛ den ɛnso bo sɛ nkɔfo bi nso so asa akɔ hyɛ baabi aba bɛka sɛ economy no nti ama investors kura ba kroni mu a ɔmo ni first hand information ɛyɛ papa ebetumi aboa ma ɔmo de aba bɛyɛ
already social media
because ohun sɛ we say economy ni yɛ we so say economy ni yɛ nti masa then I have to be very very careful say be kwa invest in sika me de me kan nyina ne say see nya good leaders ɔmo nhwɛ sika ɔmo be wiade ama ɔmo girlfriends sika ɔmo de bɛhwɛ ɔmo nko ama wɔ abrochire esan say mehu ni say ɔmo yi mistake bi na ɔmo nya aware say UK for your ɔmo system fon saa te say de a de beto to social media anka wo obɛsɔre ayare akɔ UK hɔ no question wo say busa so ɔmo leaders no ɔmo gya ho kwan ma akora wo UK ɔsɔre ya no atwa ne to ho na ɔde aba beto social media so anka saa kuro no wani bɛgye ho na wayɛ sɛ wo de oba na obusuafo nyina ba abɔtena hɔ ana so ɔmo yɛ good measures good structures good systems and they epija UK see hɔ. Let me tell you, I'm setting the record straight. I did be no ye papa, the whole reason one ye black man e kan ye. In this say yeah. And then if you say ye the pe bia ni timu de na me catch you pain from say. Yeah, and a nyansa start free and so. You can disagree, but the fact is there. I'm not speaking about the truth. What may be true to you may not be true to me.
Okay.
What do you say?
Okay.
But fact in the say, black man, even the pigment among for friends and melanin and white skin, actually say, I know the man have been deep.
Okay.
And so no wonder say Ghana need and I'm a platform we are in Namsuket see Dr. Thomas Mensah. Or no abim and a yet in a platform we are. To find the trust. Even digital phone here we use. And you need black man who copy America and on my digital phone.
Okay.
What do you say?
Okay.
Now it's just say yeah mind bano Dr. Thomas Mensah can statement be say he didn't need Google. He didn't need Bill Gates to start his business, but Bill Gates needed him to start his business.
Wow.
Internet started in 1984 on a speedy.
Wow.
That time, well,
yeah, brother.
It's in the middle of na me say you're paying for the end to 2 years or meeting your control information via a form. No one try say if you never or modern machines a beba, it beats me my project or mine positive things.
Okay.
Rather than say ye ma ho kwan.
Okay.
Na obia and I mean one thing say omo social friends say omo media we say in so fraternity no omo so na say o man no
that is it
obaya make us yi ne ho na o de na me
media
ya man ho kwan e mo TV show e program amanfo adwen ko asa ma ho kwan ma na kofa akora de na ba betena ne fie from children's home. Now what are you talking about?
Asam Sebe, or what are you talking about? You have a young brother or tensioner the program. No, I say, oh, and you are no more tired. We are be careful back about the Nadine, everything back about my.
Mean to me can be beer for fraud. In Premium, France of your kind. You didn't get and I say, Brabobian, one young one. I'm afraid. So one tennis swabber, when money for the beer or pay. Your way and maybe I knew when you say, yeah, and say it. Young couple bony pan or the Nepalman with me, bonny with me, papa. You need to see a chair and obey, you better go and obey. Young couple also boy, or what why I know a quick, it's in your South Korea, near what Ghana, near what America, near what we know. And this uncle for Kuni Bishia. One more a your moon a big guide one. And if that a principle. any friends cultural values were a bad guide one. I feel so. I'm not a culture and so paying for him say, will be 8 me a bonny, will be 8 me a papa. It's ye funny say mra. Wow obey papa. You go about so. Wow obey boneno, obey etiam ram so. Yen chonso. And one. Uja nipa many ope. And nothing you walk a candy for away in German plastic. I can inform more in terms or more checking any behavior. Ye said the ya and say a corner a woman or money woman and say no. It's the say and penny for ye. I saw what didn't know go up in South Korea. I can mean, said the ya. If you will be at Twitter crown, maybe I open a washer crown. Proceed ya go come and sign them out. Hey, what feel you yeah? Yeah, my pioneer. The camera
Oh, experience, Anna.
New experience.
Yeah, yeah, for us. Oh, my idea, the crowd one no ever.
Yes, I say. And see. Mon frère no man go up. C'est une fille de Munia.
Okay.
Yen fa restrictions in friends in
okay.
And maybe I catch a Frank say. And maybe a chemono, maybe crown, tetano, 80s one. Na say obi board no na say ye hwese enwom no. Enom ensem or the board no no. Emwa en promote o man na ye twam no ka say nsi a friend say ngofoku be no. Sa o man no etwa sa eyinum.
Na say o man na edisa eyini ba na say na Ghana man.
Ghana for ye just say hwe Moses one about Moses no a friend say AB council.
Okay.
AB council for Moses enwom no. This say what do talk a metaphorical. But this is what do don abete dwom na say. Nenso kra no yitwam omumu say ye den a
institution bi a omo hwe
institution bi o
be ba no omo hwe nyom no hwe mu nsem
say na be bring ho na answer na be ba no ekọ science institution ho no ma hwe mu say nyom no is it worthwhile
na energy.
They say
Ebeda yabeda for ase Ghana shall rise soon ye mpacho yinuanom ho ha pacho ba begina yinuanom achiaman na pacho bibi kakra okay yinuanom so my bizem so muchichim camera no set up for chiro ho mai nti yebeda o ma ase thank you for your support no set up the camera my crew ni nyina wa ha yeda o nyina ase so be supporting pacho Ghana shall rise soon ye eda foforo yeah, the topic for me patro say dem tikan no enye ni ba akofo enne me na me tie gwam ana me boama program de kosa china na enye me na egu ba foforo obi atimi ba platform ne so ofra ye do be ba platform ne so na abinche bia obia you see ye focus into ya be for no e be sere kwan kakra na ana say wo request abetimi di aba send the request bra na mon frère na yeah, change just a few minutes. Amadi anese time no I break the program no ebisia. Nyame adoma edafofro ebesa abaso. Yakra mo Ghana shall rise sunye. Munyina mo support na program no intimi. Obi an share me company for no. No mu huduma dia. E na yeso wa continue. Idi ebo oma. Nyame sha obi bia. Yakra mo Ghana shall rise. Bye bye.
Bravo!
Filippo.